How to get coordinates in Google Map. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the coordinates. First of all, open the application. Now search for the place where you want to get the coordinates. Here I'm tapping on one. So simply zoom in and tap on the place. So it will take some time. Now on the top, you can see the coordinates that are showing in the search bar. So these are the coordinates for this specific location. So you cannot directly copy it, but you can later screenshot it and even add a place to it. So this is how you find coordinates. So what does coordinates do? They are an indicator for the place or the area of a specific location, which is found out through longitude and latitudes. So it is very helpful while mapping. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.